Here's another quick episode that goes along with episode number 3, which shows us how we built our bearing walls. This is us just literally leveling the bearing walls by putting in a piece of pressure treated lumber, hammer drilling it, nailing it in. Then we're going to level it up. You'll see it here in just a minute. And the first one I nailed, but the rest I screwed. I'd screw the rest. You don't need a pilot bit them or anything. I ended up doing that too every once in a while. Yeah, but either way, we're still going through our no-step house building series. Our next episode that you're going to see on this is us putting in the center load-bearing wall, the load-bearing wall that will be in the middle of the house to carry the load of the I-joists. With these I-joists, we don't like our span to go over 20 feet. Always have something load-bearing it up within every 20 feet. Check your plans. They might call for something closer or for something further away. It really depends on what kind of material you're using for your joists.
See, happening slow. Tilt. Not to move it. Okay, got all of them. Already did our endo.
Alright, so this is just me showing all of our load-bearing walls. It seems like about every 10 to 15 feet we put in a block to help keep these walls level and straight. Have them all attached. Thanks for watching. Check out this next video of how we did our main load-bearing wall that goes down the center of the house.